Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a 36mm Rolex two-tone yellow, gold, and stainless steel Datejust with a champagne index dial on a Jubilee bracelet. This model reference number for this watch is 126233. Retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $12,000 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, the crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet. And I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Datejust 36 is a 36mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a mid-sized watch for men. It's also considered a large watch for women. This watch can be worn by men and women because it's a sweet spot where it can be enjoyed by both husband and wife. It's unisex. Stainless steel oyster case is polished to a mirror finish on the sides, along with the tops of the lugs holding the bracelet. There's a screw-down case back in the back for extra waterproofness on this watch. The case is 100 meters, or rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. Let's try this watch on for size. There you have it. This 36mm watch on a medium-sized wrist. For reference, my wrist is just under 7 inches at 6.75 inches, and this 36mm watch looks perfect on my wrist. The 18-karat yellow gold fluted bezel adds a lot of sparkle on this watch, makes this watch unmistakable as a Rolex. Now, if you like diamond bezels, then you're probably looking at a $6,600 upgrade for that. If you ask me, you're going to get the most bang for your buck with the fluted bezel. It's going to be easier to recognize as a Rolex as well. Now, going to the dial, we're looking at this beautiful champagne index dial. It's the classic look we know with Rolex Datejust. It matches the case and bracelet perfectly. You can see there's a minute scale lining the outside of the dial, giving it a little bit more character. The hands and hour markers both have low luminescence, so you're going to be able to see the dial in low light conditions. You can see the date here at the 3 o'clock position, almost covered up by the hand. Under the Cyclops lens, this magnifies the date window about 2.5 times the original size, so you can read it a little bit more clearly. Crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be worn in its first position once you unscrew it from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. The second position out, it's going to be able to adjust the date function. Third position out, it's going to be able to adjust the hour and minute and hands. Once you have your hand set, you can just pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3235 movement. It has the hour, minute, date, center seconds function, and it has a power reserve of about 70 hours or almost 3 days. You can set this watch down on a desk for a couple days, maybe on a Friday night, and then pick it up on a Monday morning. It's still going to be keeping time. The self-winding movement keeps this watch wound while it's on your wrist as well. Moving on to the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at a two-tone yellow, gold, and stainless steel bracelet with an oyster deployment. There's high polished yellow gold center links, high polished to a mirror finish, and then there's a satin finish on the outside stainless steel portion of the bracelet. This Jubilee bracelet is really comfortable to wear. And this buckle even has the easy link feature. If you look really closer underneath the deployment buckle, it actually opens up another 5mm, lengthens the bracelet, so if you get hot and your wrist swells up, this is going to help you relieve that. Adds another 5mm. Yeah, this fold over crown deployment. Opens it up and closes really easily. Snap it shut. Peel it open. Easy on, easy off. Now the Rolex 36mm Datejust is a very wearable watch. I could see myself wearing a 40mm Datejust, but this 36mm is a lot more manageable. Looks great on my wrist. It's unmistakable as a Rolex with its fluted yellow gold bezel and the Jubilee bracelet. This watch, in my opinion, is the classic two-tone Datejust, the one that everyone's familiar with. So if you want to carry on that tradition, then buy this watch. This version of the watch is leaning towards the looks of a dress watch than a sporty watch, but the index dial does give it a hint of more sportiness. So yeah, you can wear this with a t-shirt and shorts, but you're going to look like $1,000,000 wearing this with a suit. Now if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 126233. This is the 36mm Datejust with a champagne index dial on a Jubilee bracelet. Now again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com, and thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.